What the kind of trick question is that? You can't throw that kind of curveball.
I hold the record.
Anything with the record is bull. I don't know where the score counter is, but take his.
He says I was there.
Take the damn points off. This is 2 truths and 1 lie with Franc Zampogna and Max Lewis. Action. All right, so the game is, I'm gonna tell you 2 things that are true and 1 that's a lie.
Oh, jeez.
Did you just hit yourself?
Oh, it's
and
that setup you got here.
You have to discern which is the lie.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm gonna go first. I have my notes because I need to be crafty with you. 2 truths and 1 lie. So first one is, I won first place at Porsche Racing School.
Okay.
Okay. I used to weigh over 250 pounds and I was baptized in the Jordan River where Jesus was baptized.
You were never over 250 pounds.
Never. Good job. That's 1. Yeah. Now you go.
I have to make them up?
Yeah, 2 truths and 1 lie. It doesn't have to be in order.
I have
an 18-inch p. Wow. Look at this thing.
Oh. I have sat in an unassembled Ferrari when watched the woman stitch the dashboard by hand in the Ferrari factory.
Okay.
I have crushed my own grapes to make wine.
How are you gonna say your balls?
In southern Italy.
Crush my own balls.
I have climbed the highest.
Lie. Did I get it?
Yeah.
I have climbed the highest peak.
Like
Okay. Well, that's why I took notes,
I
right?
may have been over 250 pounds.
All right. So I jumped into the water in Antarctica. Okay. I'm 18% body fat. And I own a Taco Bell in Jacksonville. What do you got?
I think that you think you're not 18% body fat, so that must be the lie.
I'm not 18% body fat. I'm 16% body fat.
Well, I think the machinery is
no,
fucking wrong.
I'm ripped. Okay.
I know the other ones to be true, so that must be the lie, but I don't think that's.
Well, whatever. My lies need to get better because my truths are pretty crazy. Like you jumped in the water in Antarctica is pretty crazy. Huh?
You're probably 22%.
Bro, I'm 16 all day. Trust me, I know this. I have a scale that tells me every morning.
Amazon scale that doesn't
It works.
tell you shit.
It works. I'm an athlete, basically.
Do
Physical specimen. Just trust me on this. Go, your turn.
No, but I didn't get to prepare it.
I prepared. Sorry, man. Hey, bring your A game. Stay ready. You don't have to.
Okay.
Stay ready. You don't have to get ready.
My longest field goal is 59 yards in a game.
Mm-hmm.
My shortest field goal is an extra point.
Half a yard.
And I was married before this marriage.
Field goal. I read that it was 50 yards.
All right.
I did my research, Frank. I came from.
That'd be a bomb.
Damn, 59 would have been impressive. You'd be in the NFL.
Yeah. Probably still not.
All right. I joined karate and dropped out when I got to yellow belt. I had Salt Bay serve me a steak in Turkey at his restaurant. You might know something about this. I rented out the entire Marlins Park for batting practice with my friends.
You suck at karate, huh?
I never did karate. I suck at karate. That was a layup, Frank. I hooked you up. Your turn.
I had some good ones there just a second ago.
Mm-hmm.
If I was at the Porsche driving school, you'd have been in second, by the way.
Kiss my ass.
For sure.
I whooped everybody so bad it was disgusting.
I hit 200 miles an hour in an Audi driving school.
Okay.
I am a bocce ball champion.
Okay, go. Here's my jersey. A bocce ball champion? Is there such a thing?
I won a national title in 2001.
You're not a bocce ball champion, are you? If you are, I need some explaining. Like, all right, give me the information.
I technically am. We have a bocce ball court.
That doesn't make you a champion. Get the out of here. Like, I would have seen pictures of that in your house. Like, this is me with the bocce ball. Like, get the out of here. Oh my god.
Have you played bocce ball?
Yeah, when you hit it.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's underhand. Yeah.
All right, let's see.
You want to see like old Italian men fight?
That's funny.
Go watch either a game of Scopa cards or bocce. They will come to blows. It's so funny.
Okay. I once ate frog legs in Louisiana on a business trip with the propane guys that I used to deal with. I once watched a movie with Anthony Bourdain, like with him, we watched the movie. I once flew in a helicopter with no doors in Hawaii for over an hour. No doors, like no doors on any doors. It was crazy. You could see right out.
You didn't do that.
I did do that. I'll
But
send
you
in the
ate the
picture so I
frog
can put it in the video. You already said I didn't. You said I didn't do that. I didn't eat frog legs. Hell no. Would not eat frog legs. Oh god, no. Not eating
I remember
that.
you went to Louisiana.
That's adventurous. Flying in the helicopter with no doors is fine. Eating frog legs. Oh no. Oh hell no. Oh, go ahead.
You made that one sound big.
I'm using my acting
you went
skills.
to Louisiana for the propane.
I did, but I didn't eat the frog legs.
But you guys-
We hunted them.
You guys went fishing though there.
Yeah, caught redfish. But I didn't eat the frog legs. I was like, yeah, right, I'm not doing that. It's disgusting. You're up. We'll do one more.
Okay. I proposed to my wife in the middle of the desert in Dubai. Outside of Dubai.
Okay.
I think so. Is that it? Or
I
is
don't
that
know.
it?
All right.
Is that true?
You need to say two more. I'm not gonna blow my load on the first one.
My first car was a Nissan 300ZX.
Okay.
I hold the record
Anything with a record is
for most extra points in the game in the state of Florida for high school.
in Nib High. Nib High is like the water boy. Nib High, the school rules. No. Your first car was a Touareg or something like that.
No.
Wasn't it a Volkswagen?
First car in high school?
Your first car was not a 300ZX.
Yes, it was.
So you hold the record, you don't hold the record?
Yeah, I do have the record.
So
for
what the hell is it?
most extra points.
I saw you propose in Dubai.
But the desert wasn't in Dubai.
What the kind of trick question is that? You can't throw that kind of curveball. It was in Dubai. Like that's.
You gotta get better.
You know, you don't get points for that. You don't get points for that. I don't know where the score counter is, but take his.
Half the shit he says I was there.
Take the damn points off. All right,
What do you think is winning right now?
I'm winning for sure. This is totally me. Okay, so I once spent $10,000 in a single day at Lululemon. I caught a 652-pound marlin in Hawaii, and I spent 30 days in Hawaii on that trip.
You never spent 10 grand.
No, just short of it though, but not 10 grand. Maybe like 6. You're up. This is the last point. I don't know, we're gonna have a counter.
You're supposed to win anyways.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. And I'm prepared to win. I
You just
prepared for
lost
this.
That last one.
I prepared.
What's
We could do 2 more. Go. It's that I know a lot about him, so it's hard for him to do this.
I have
Some of him can do this.
8 nieces and nephews. My oldest brother is 6 years older than I am.
Oh, now we're getting to the fine details, huh?
You should know this.
Come on, fuck, I gotta remember this shit.
And I am number 5 of 5 children.
A. Final answer.
What was the first one?
You have 8 nieces and nephews. Is it 8?
8.
Fuck.
Yeah.
So 6 years is it? Your brother's not 6 years old.
Carla's 6 years old.
So which one's wrong?
The last one.
The last one was what?
I don't know.
What the fuck? What was the last one? Do you remember what the last one was?
Yeah, I'm number 4 of 5 kids.
Oh, you're number 4? I thought you were number 5.
No. Everyone thinks
Who
I'm 5.
the hell's 5?
Everyone was married way before me.
So who's 5?
My sister.
Oh, okay. I would have died not knowing that.
Yeah.
See, this game
There you go.
this was useful.
There you go. You just lost.
Yeah. Well, point. All right. I once gave away over $2 million in a single day.
Gave away or donated?
Gave away.
Huh.
I gave it away.
Okay.
Gave it to people. I also drove on the Autobahn. I drove 301 kilometers in an Audi R8. Well, something else that was really cool is that the Marlins tried to sign me out of high school.
You did not give away $2 million in one day.
I did. I gave away like 2.4 million in one day
But you got your...
when I sold my company.
Ah, got it.
You fucked up, buddy.
Marlins tried to sign you? I thought they did.
No, they didn't. I was on the junior Marlins.
Ah.
They didn't sign me to the team, but I was on the junior.
You didn't say which Marlins.
Listen, it's on you to win the game. I'm not going to give you the
The
answers.
Hialeah Marlins.
Sorry, bro.
Listen, I'm a boxing champion.
The Hialeah Marlins. Jesus. Good game, sir. I'm absolutely guaranteed that I won that. I also came prepared with notes. I hope you guys enjoyed this game with me and my friend Frank. I definitely learned a little bit more about him that I did not know, and I also won, which makes it that much more better. Thank you for watching.
He thinks he won.
Like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah.